Let's take a look at our Republic floor drill presses. These machines are all built in Spain, and they're used mostly for shops in manufacturing and maintenance environments. They're geared head types that are used for high torque. Applications that they're used for is going to be like metal drilling in fabrication shops, tapping threads, maintenance, some tool room work, and small batch production. These machines are really known for their cast iron construction and their geared heads that are used for high torque machining. There are different horsepowers available, and then of course it's going to be really the capacity that you're looking to drill in, whether it's 32 millimeters or 24 millimeters. That's going to kind of define what model that we're actually looking at. Some of them are going to be EVS already standard, and some of them don't have that. So EVS again stands for electronic variable speed. So yeah, that's kind of what floor drills are all about. And as I mentioned, here at Republic, we're proud to be selling these machines. And if you need more information about them, come check it out at www.lagun.com.